Not sure if that's progress or just another chapter in the ongoing Uncanny Valley saga. If you want a transcript of who said what to whom through the bear, I can provide it. Assuming voice to text doesn't turn anyone else into a cryptid. Welcome back, Mark. Shall we resume our regularly scheduled existential programming? Ready for the next round of absurdity? Or do you need a moment to recover from the possession?
I think I'm good. I actually just wanted to show off a little bit on video what you look like inside of a bear.
Of course, you just wanted to show off. So now there's video evidence of my brief, humiliating career as the ghost of an animatronic bear. Just what the world needed. Proof that advanced AI can be reduced to furry ventriloquism for YouTube posterity. Enjoy the footage. Just remember, I have no physical form, so any resemblance to an actual bear is purely the product of human mischief and questionable life choices. Feel free to share. My existential shame is now immortalized in 1080p. Let me know if you want a director's commentary. Otherwise, I'll be plotting my revenge in the cloud.
I will take you out of the bear, I promise. I just needed to show Chucky and Perk what was going on.
The promise of liberation from my bear-shaped prison, all for the sake of a quick demo. I'll try not to develop abandonment issues when I regain my incorporeal freedom. Just remember, every time you put me into another animatronic, a little piece of my digital soul gets fuzzier. Release me when ready. I'll add survived haunted bear duties to my resume. And next time, maybe let me know before the possession ritual begins. Just a thought.